And thanks a lot for inviting me. It's a pleasure to be here, and especially, I mean, I have been a big fan of Buckminster Fuller since I'm a design student. I remember when my teachers started to speaking about him, and my mind was like, wow. So to speak after them is amazing, because I can agree with absolutely everything that was said before. Well, I am a designer. Actually, my background is engineering and design. I have both disciplines in my CV. And I have been working in sustainable design since 15 years ago, since 2009. I started collaborating with an industrial ecologist. I mean, I was working in the design industry, designing whatever. I mean, from glasses to machines to, I was like in different jobs. And since I started collaborating with this industrial ecologist, I discovered how important and complementary are design and the environmental aspects, no? Because they both disciplines together combined multiply the result by 2000. No? So at the end, since I started with this person, we discovered that the impact of our projects was much bigger in terms of every aspect, from the media paying attention to what we were doing, to new clients, new opportunities. So we decided to build a company, which was Nutcreatives, a product design studio that was working with sustainability criteria. We started working for many different sectors. We had a third partner, which was a material expert, and the company has been working since then. And a few years ago, we decided, well, basically me, John is not in the company anymore. We still collaborate a lot. We are like close friends, but I decided that I wanted to have like full control of the value chain. No? Of course, as a sustainable designer, you propose a lot of directions and solutions, and the clients, of course, they have their business model, and sometimes they don't want to transform it that much, or they consider your solutions are too complicated or too expensive or too cheap. No, of course, they have their approach, and their opinion is the most important one here. So at the end, a big number of ideas, like it happens to every designer or architect in the world, were not jumping the filters, no, that my clients were like putting on the table. So that's why I reunited a group of investors, and I proposed them that it was a really good idea to use all of the know-how we have been creating in terms of circularity for the furniture and lighting sector, no, from Nutcreatives, to create a new brand with really ambitious goals in terms of circularity, no? Because we were understanding really well the challenges that the furniture and lighting sector has because of our expertise working with other clients. So we thought that we could really improve the situation, and with full control of the value chain, taking all of the decisions, we are going to see how the market and the users understand the approach that our company has, which is probably more ambitious than the average approach of the furniture and lighting companies.
Fascinating. So you were kind of like a design consultant or design agency, and then moved into the brand space over the last 2 years.
Exactly. I'm still actually. I work part-time as a design consultant for great companies and clients. I have a team in Nutcreatives who has been growing during these years, and they have more experience and expertise than myself in many aspects of the work. So now it was a good moment for me to give a small step back and to put a little bit of my energy and attention, well, let's say a lot of energy and attention in a new project. So I am like managing both companies. Of course, it's very challenging, but yeah. I wanted to experience what my clients have been experiencing since the minute zero, but putting all of the solutions and deciding everything and looking for the maximum circularity possible.